And here I have the BioAdvanced Brush Killer Plus. Kills tough brush, roots and all. So blackberry, kudzu, poison ivy, and poison oak. So I've got a regular pump up spray here, and this calls for 4 to 8 ounces. And so we're just gonna pour that right in here into this measure cup that comes on top of the container itself. I've already got some water in this pump up sprayer, and then so we'll just pour that in here and we should be good to go. And now we'll pump this up and put it all over our brush, and I'm going to put it against a fence that's got some vine and different things on it, but this should work really good. Just use that regular pump up sprayer and a gallon of water, 4 to 8 ounces, kind of depending on how thick your brush is. Bump it up and spray. So when you're ready, you can just start spraying everywhere that you don't want any brush or kind of low ground cover stuff. This has worked great. Kills everything that you don't want in your yard. So it's got all the specs and things like that. You can read about it. But this is a great product. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up a bottle of this.